In this video, we're talking about the best alternatives to Hostinger. If you're considering switching to another hosting provider, you're not alone. Maybe the renewal prices are too high, or you're just looking for faster speeds or better features. Whatever the reason, finding the right hosting solution is important for your website. We'll explore 3 great alternatives: Bluehost, HostGator, and Cloudways. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of which one might suit you best. So let's get started. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer: some links in the description are affiliate links. This means I may earn a small commission if you make a purchase through them, but it won't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support my channel. Now, let's jump right in. Why look for alternatives to Hostinger? Hostinger is a well-known hosting company offering services like shared hosting, virtual private servers, cloud hosting, and WordPress hosting. It's popular for its low starting prices, reliable uptime, and easy-to-use control panel. However, it's not the perfect fit for everyone. One common issue is that while Hostinger's initial prices are very low, the renewal rates can be significantly higher, which catches many users off guard. For those running larger websites or growing businesses, Hostinger's plans might feel a bit limiting in terms of features or scalability. Now, additionally, some users report slower response times on high-traffic websites, which could impact their visitors' experience. Now, if any of this sounds familiar, it's worth exploring alternatives that offer better features, more flexibility, or pricing that aligns with your budget. Let's start with Bluehost, a reliable and feature-packed option. Bluehost is one of the most popular hosting providers, especially for beginners. It offers a complete package that combines ease of use, reliability, and excellent customer support. If you're someone who needs a hosting service that just works without too much technical setup, Bluehost might be the right choice for you. What makes Bluehost stand out is its simplicity. It has an easy-to-navigate dashboard that even first-time users can understand. For those who want more control, it also includes the industry-standard control panel known as cPanel, which gives advanced users more flexibility. Hostinger's custom control panel called the H-Panel is beginner-friendly, but Bluehost offers a nice balance between simplicity and power. Bluehost's plans comes with great features like unmetered bandwidth, free SSL certificates to keep your site secure, and a free domain name for the first year. You also get access to a free content delivery network, or CDN, to help your website load faster for visitors around the world. Unlike Hostinger, which charges extra for some of these features, Bluehost includes them in all of its plans. For WordPress users, Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress.org, which says a lot about its reliability. Its support team specializes in WordPress, so if you're setting up a WordPress site, you'll get help from people who really know the platform. Bluehost also has solid performance. It offers a 99.9% uptime guarantee, which means your website will almost always be online. While Hostinger's response times might be slightly faster, Bluehost's combination of uptime and support makes it a dependable choice. Prices start at just $2.95 per month, making it affordable for beginners and small businesses. Next up is HostGator, a scalable and affordable option. HostGator is another excellent alternative to Hostinger, especially if you're looking for hosting that can grow with your website. It's been around for over 2 decades and has built a reputation for reliability and ease of use. HostGator offers a wide variety of hosting plans, including shared hosting for smaller websites, virtual private servers for medium-sized businesses, and dedicated servers for high-traffic sites. This range of options makes it a great choice for anyone, from individuals just starting out to businesses that need serious hosting power. Now, what's great about HostGator is how simple it is to use. The dashboard is easy to navigate, and setting up a website is straightforward, even if you've never done it before. It also includes 24/7 customer support through live chat and phone, so help is always available if you get stuck. Now, in terms of performance, HostGator offers the same 99.9% uptime guarantee as Bluehost and Hostinger. Its servers are reliable and can handle steady traffic without issues. However, where HostGator really shines is its scalability. If your website grows and you need more resources, you can easily upgrade to a bigger plan without switching providers. Pricing starts at $3.75 per month, and you get unlimited storage and the ability to host multiple websites, even on their basic plans. This is something Hostinger's entry-level plans don't offer, making HostGator a great choice if you're managing more than one site. Next, we have Cloudways, the high-performance choice. Cloudways is a little different from Bluehost and HostGator. Instead of traditional shared hosting, it focuses on managed cloud hosting. This means your website is hosted on powerful cloud servers provided by companies like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, or DigitalOcean. If you need serious performance and scalability, Cloudways could be the right fit. Now, one of the best things about Cloudways is that it gives you freedom to choose your cloud provider. Whether you need the speed of DigitalOcean or the global reach of AWS, Cloudways has you covered. This level of flexibility is perfect for businesses with specific hosting needs. Now, another key feature is its scalability. With Cloudways, you can easily adjust your service resources like storage or memory to match your website's traffic. If you run a seasonal business or expect traffic spikes during promotions, this flexibility can save you money compared to fixed plans from other providers. Cloudways also focuses heavily on security. It includes automated backups, real-time monitoring, and strong firewalls to keep your website safe. However, it's worth mentioning that Cloudways doesn't include email hosting, so you might need a separate service for that. Now, while Cloudways is packed with advanced features, it's not the most beginner-friendly option. Its interface can feel a little bit overwhelming if you're new to hosting. Pricing starts at $14 per month, which is higher than Bluehost or HostGator, but the performance and customization options make it worth the cost for businesses that need them. So, which hosting provider is right for you? Choosing the best alternative to Hostinger depends on your priorities. If you want a beginner-friendly option with lots of included features, Bluehost is a solid choice. For those who need affordable hosting that can grow with their website, HostGator is a great fit. And if performance and scalability are your top priorities, Cloudways offers unmatched flexibility. Each of these hosting providers has its strengths. So take some time to really think about what matters to you, whether it's pricing, features, or performance. Switching hosts might feel like a big decision, but finding the right one can make a huge difference for your website. So if you're ready to explore your options, check out the links in the description for Hostinger and the 3 alternatives we discussed: Bluehost, HostGator, and Cloudways. These links can help you dive deeper into their features and get started. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.